unlock growth opportunities. Become a distributor and enjoy exclusive benefits. 1. Lucrative margins. Maximize your profits with competitive margins on our premium products. 2. Extensive product range. Diversify your portfolio with our high-quality herbal tea collection, catering to various tastes and preferences. 3. Marketing support. Benefit from our marketing expertise and promotional materials to boost sales in your region. 4. Training programs. Access comprehensive training programs to enhance your product knowledge and sales skills. 5. Priority access to new products. Stay ahead of the market by gaining early access to our latest herbal tea offerings. Join us in spreading wellness and building a successful business partnership. Contact us to explore this exciting distributor opportunity today. Place your order now and start selling our premium products to elevate your business. Experience the following benefits.
1. Quality assurance. Ensure customer satisfaction with our top-notch, high-quality products. 2. Quick Start Package. Receive a comprehensive starter kit to jumpstart your sales and marketing efforts. 3. Fast shipping. Enjoy prompt delivery to kick off your selling journey without delay. 4. Marketing support. Access ready-to-use marketing materials to promote and sell with ease. Don't wait. Secure your stock and begin offering our exceptional products to your customers today. Contact us to place your order and step into a successful selling venture.